Hi guys, with our new breakdown video. Since the working principles of all brand and model devices are the same, the solutions are very easy. I am waiting for your questions about all brands from the comments. I expect your questions from the comments on our channel, and I expect you to read the positive comments in other videos on our channel. It is a pleasure to be able to help you. Yes, friends, we will solve the toner problem of this device with the reset method. We told you by shooting separate videos about the reset methods on many devices. As you can see in this video, sometimes we can make our devices run very stable and free with just a small reset. We will repair this fault free of charge without the cost of parts. How? Let's watch together. We guide you about the malfunctions of all your other electronic devices, free of charge diagnosis and solution methods. If you write in the comments, our expert team will respond as soon as possible. Now we must try again by pressing the button of our device. Let's see if the reset process is successful. Did it solve the problem? If your problem is not solved, you can write the methods in the comments. We have put our clean papers in our tray so that you can see how we print out once again. Now the test printing process is starting. We will see it together again, friends.
Yes, when we try, our writing comes out perfect. We have solved this problem.
Look how good the repair of this device has been, and you can see how stable it works. We will repair this device in the same way. Please watch carefully.
Thank you very much for watching our video. Please don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel. I would be very happy if you would send my video to your friend who you want to be informed about. Good day, see you.